Guys, you're welcome to my channel today again. So today's video is quite a short one. It's about this hair bonnet that I made. It's so lovely and it's air free. Air can easily enter your hair. You can use it to put your hair together while you are doing things, so your hair won't disturb your work. You see how beautiful it is looking. So before, this is what I always use. The normal hair net that we use in Nigeria here. But right now, this one is dirty. So I find that I don't have another alternative to wear. Apart from my satin bonnet that I wear to sleep, I needed to have another alternative. So that's why I decided to make that one using this breathable lace fabric that breeze can enter my hair while I walk. So you can see it. It's quite breathable. It is air free. So that's why I decided to use it. So before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friends. You encourage me so much by doing that. So we go ahead and cut our fabric. We are going to use the method of cutting flared to do that, to get a perfect circle. So my fabric is not a perfect square, but we shall go ahead and cut out something from there. So you see, I folded it in four, try to get a circle. So after folding it in four, you mark out your triangle from the square that you folded. The normal way you cut your flared. So that's what I'm trying to achieve there. I've marked it out with my chalk, so I will now go ahead and cut it out with my scissors. It's quite simple. I think I was able to finish this in less than 15 minutes. So depending on how fast you are. So this is my circle shape right there. You see it. I think the bigger it will look, the fuller your bonnet will look, depending on the way you like it. But sure, I don't do anything that is too small that will not size your hair. That one will be for babies. But I like something that will be full on my hair, just like you see. So at this stage now, you can decide to tape it with a fabric that you can tie it, or you can decide to fold it and put rubber band, depending on how you want it. For my satin bonnet, I put a fabric that I tie it with, but this one I want to put elastic so that it can stay put on my hair without falling off. So I'll go ahead now and fold it on my machine. I'll come and show you how I'm going to I folded it before inserting the elastic. So don't forget to like this video and share with your friends. So I've gone ahead to fold it. To fold the circle is actually hard. So I taped it. I actually use part of the strips of this lace to tape it. So as you can see there. So I'm now go ahead and insert the elastic. But so this is the elastic that I'm going to use. The normal tiny elastic. So before you do that, make sure you measure your head circumference. Measure something that is comfortable for you, that will not be biting your head. It's not too tight that it will be biting your hair, and it's not too loose that it will be falling off your hair. So I've measured mine. So I'm going to cut it out now and go ahead and insert. So this is it now. I'll use my safety pin to insert into my hair bonnet. I think this is quite a simple process. Anybody that sews can achieve this. Even people that don't know how to sew self, or you sew it and give them, they can do it. So it's quite a simple process. So I've attached my elastic, so it will now be exactly the size of your hair, because you use your head circumference to measure your elastic. So I'll sew the two ends together, and now you see my bonnet is ready, just like that. See, I'll go ahead now and test it so you can see. You see it. You don't need to go and spend money buying all these things. So thank you so much for watching my video today. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.